In this video, I'm going to explain about while loop in Python. Hello everyone, my name is Damario Sujono. I'm a full-time data analyst and content creator. Welcome to my tutorial about Python for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to explain about while loop in Python. In Python, a while loop is a control of structures that allow you to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specific condition remains true. The basic syntax of a while loop is as follows. Let's while, and then you put condition, follow with colon here. This will, so the code to execute as long as the condition is true. So which means this condition, if you haven't checked out what is the condition in Python, I have created before an if statement. That's also one of the condition that is available here in Python. So go check that out. But basically, a while condition is, again, you start with the word while with lower letters, and then follows with condition and then colon, and then after so after while keyword you provide a condition, and which is an expression that evaluates to either true or false, and the loop will continue to execute as long as the condition is true. If the condition becomes false, then the loop will terminate. I'll give you one of the example, but one important thing is that at the end it has a colon there, while statement to indicate the start of the, okay, and the code block under the while statement must be indented just like in the case of if statement. So what it means is, let me put it in as a comment. Okay. Let's say I want to declare a variable called count is equal to 0. Okay, and then I use while count is less than 5. Please print count plus or comma count, and then count plus equal to 1. So in this example, the loop is continue to execute as long as the condition count is less than 5. The count variable is incremented by 1 with each iteration of the loop, and then the output, if we run this program, the output will look like this. So we count 0, count 1, count 2, count 3, and count 4. So it is important to be cautious when using while loops to ensure that the condition eventually becomes false. And if condition never becomes false, you will end up an infinite loop, which can cause your program to hang or become unresponsive. You will end up with an infinite loop, which can cause, cut. Alright, so it is very important to be cautious when using while loops to ensure that the condition eventually becomes false. If the condition never becomes false, you will end up with an infinite loop, which can cause your program to hang or error or freeze or unresponsive. To avoid this, you typically update the variable inside the loop so that the condition eventually evaluates to false. Okay. Alright, so let's recap, okay? In Python, we have one of the condition called while loop condition. And to start with the while keyword, and then follows with the condition, and then end up with the colon. So when you provide a condition with an expression that evaluates it to either true or false, you use colon at the end of the while statement to indicate the start of the code block. And then the code block under while must be indented, just like in case of if statement. And then if the condition is true, it execute the statement until the certain threshold is fulfilled. So in this example, it will print count until count is not equal to 1, is not equal to 5. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. Okay, if you like this video, make sure to click like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Right, see you on the next video.